Happy Wednesday, first graders. Today we are talking about text features again, but we are going to talk a little about a few different things with text that can be fun to use. So again, text features are when authors choose text and graphics to help explain ideas or to help readers locate the information. So that diagram, it helps you locate what they're talking about. If I'm talking about the roof in this picture of the house, well, the word roof is pointing to the roof on the house, so I can know what part it's talking about. Today we can talk about where text can be in different colors, so each letter of a word could be different and it's just kind of fun, or it could have a special meaning to you, the author. This is one we haven't talked about yet. Curved text. So curved text can wrap around the art or make reading more fun. So you can use curved text if you want to have maybe you have a fun story and you just want to add a little bit of something to it. This is a really fun way for you to do that. So today we are going to read our story and it is called On Earth. Here's my cover. And it's written and illustrated, so it means the person wrote the words and drew the pictures by G. Brian Carras. So today we are going to look for those text features. You are going to have to answer some questions about it. So remember, while we're reading, you're going to be listening for what this book is mostly about. So what is my main thing I'm talking about in this story? And then you're going to pick out one text feature. So maybe it's some curvy words or a diagram or a words that are larger or a different color. And you're going to tell me about them after we read our story. So, on Earth. On Earth, we go for a giant ride in space, spinning like a merry-go-round. I'm going to zoom out for a second. The Earth spins on its axis and circles the sun in a great sweep. So let's look at this picture. Are there labels? Would this be a diagram? We face the sun, its light and warmth, as we live our days. Shadows get long as days roll into night. At night, we turn away from the sun and see a universe of stars and planets, while we dream of what we can do tomorrow. While we spin, we also travel in an orbit around the sun, so that by the time we get back to where we started, we're 1 year older. So we have all the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. What month are we in now? January. We count months as we grow. In 12 months, a year has gone by. Years go by, days go by. We count them with candles, calendars, and candles. The Earth tilts on its axis. When we lean toward the sun, we're warmer. When we lean away, we're colder. Our seasons change from summer to autumn and winter to spring. Seasons in the northern hemisphere. So we have autumn or fall, winter, spring, and summer. Right now, we are still in winter. When the Earth's top side leans away from the sun, there is winter above the equator and summer below. This middle line right here, that's the equator. In winter, the days get shorter and the nights are longer. By spring, the days get filled with sunlight. We spin and we circle, rotate and revolve, but we don't fall off. Gravity holds us to the Earth. Gently, slowly, around and around, we hold out our arms as we glide through the universe. We fly through space as night becomes day, summer becomes winter, and years go by. The Earth. The Earth is like a ball. It is a sphere. There is an imaginary line around the center of the Earth, the equator. The Earth spins like a top, It rotates around an imaginary line that goes from the top to the bottom, the Earth's axis. The Earth revolves around the sun in a big oval orbit. There are imaginary points on the Earth's top and bottom, the North Pole and the South Pole. Gravity is the force that holds us to the Earth. The end. So, now you're going to go to Seesaw and you're going to answer the questions. This book is mostly about. Tell me what the book's about. And then tell me one text feature that the author used. If you need to go back to find the story, you can always rewind this video, or you can go to HMH on your Ready Hub and find On Earth. I'll scroll back through it so you can look really quickly, see if there's any text features, any curvy words, any colorful words, any diagrams, any larger words. All right. Can't wait to see what you guys write about.